Well, that's still not working, but we got a electrician coming today. They tell us what we need to replace better. Starting to get mowers ready, starting on mine. And get the deck to work. Found this idler pulley. This little piece goes on top that the spring attached to keep it tight. It had a hole in it, so the spring wouldn't stay out the end, so welded that. She's fixed and all serviced up. Ready to mow when the grass gets a little taller. Nick came up from FS, checked out the seed treater. Is that AC to DC adapter. We got fried, but we plugged it in at the shop. The shop wasn't wired up right, which we discovered. So we had the right things, I guess we needed to fix it. We got another one of those coming in Friday. Need an expert here to make sure we knew what we were talking about. We'll fill this up with fuel, take it home. And guess what? Lawrenceville won Super Sectional last night, so they are going to Final Four. They're going to state Thursday at Champaign. They're the small class, 1A, first year being 1A, just barely under it. We're almost 2A. So they will play at 10 a.m. against Goreville, who we've lost 2 games this year. One was the Goreville by 5, I think. Then we lost to Colonial Unity by a little bit, who's 2A, that's also in the Final Four. So pretty good resume. And Siena's got volleyball regionals tonight and tomorrow, so hopefully they win that back-to-back years. And I think I'm gonna mow the yard up here at the farm and roll it, because kind of like rolling it once. This is David's roller. The roller we had up here was leaked and it couldn't be fixed. So, oh, it looks like it's full. Filling up with water, make her heavy. Yep, definitely full, definitely full. Good chance of rain tonight, so today seems like a good day to do it to me. This isn't the mower I got ready yesterday. Yesterday was mine. This is the farm one that we use to mow the farm lot, which Eli and George live up here. And get it ready after I mow the first time. May get these little sticks I missed that way. Sounds like there's birds in here. Definitely some stuff. Clean that out first. Yeah, that's plugged. Birds are way up there. I can hear them. They're getting lower. A lot of stuff. You get pecked in the face. There it is. He's out. He looks dead. He's been in there too long. You're welcome. Saved your life. It's back on. That Audrey a little better. We got one of these. I don't know what they're called. A rubber broom, I believe, from Milwaukee. You put it on the weed eater. David tried this in a bin one time. Didn't work out great. I seen Jordan Fritchley, one of my buddies, tried this on rocks in the grass, so I'm just gonna see if it works. All right, before I do all that, I'm gonna start, I'm gonna get the hopper full, run some bins. This one right here is sweet bin, believe it or not. It's just a little 10,000 bushel bin. It's the smallest one here. I'm gonna run in along with some others. Eli's taking my place. Dad out, walk around, I don't know, enjoying the day. I'm off to volleyball regional semifinal. 8th grade. I've lost sets this year. There's 21-0, 42 sets. So Semi-final regionals tonight. Hopefully that works out. It's fun sports week right now. What are you doing?
I go to the mailbox and mail some letters.
Look for an excuse to get outside, huh?
Yeah. I mowed some of my yard too, you know.
Did you? I figured you probably did.
Yeah.
Stuck. Starting out today, servicing the mower that got used yesterday. Starting with, gonna put new blades on it, and clean out the deck, change the oil, grease, all that good stuff. This one's dirty or mine, it's like it just got used. It's raining and it's windy. I'm having a hard time keeping the door open. Even the top one closed. Clean this bin out. Anyway, I got it. Just gonna clean it up. Run another bin. Get the hopper full. 30% last I seen. I need to close this up a little bit more. We'll get you water in here. But you don't want the dust to stay here. Yeah, we'll keep it there. 88% full, almost full. I'm gonna get this bin empty no matter what. I'm gonna shut off the sweep valve, side holes. I got left to. Basically, even the hopper gets full, I'll be able to get this empty, no problem. Got empty. It's really coming down out there. At least it's really windy. Might shut this one off, just run these. Well, believe it or not, I was coming to shut that one off, and the hopper went off, so turn it off anyway. Get these doors shut. That's for sure. That's that. It's cross auger or drag. Start running empty, and then I'll let that while the wet leg comes out. Hey, I can hear it. Leave the leg on. I'll go shut this.
Got 4 and 4.
Yeah, let's go, guys. State Final Four. State. Excited to go up top with these bums. We gonna win today?
Yeah.
How much?
50.
50? No way.
No, 20.
20? Jeez.
30.
I'll go.
The last team we did,
I'm gonna say 8.
30.
Okay. Okay.
20.
What'd your guys' sisters do yesterday?
I forgot. Sat on the couch and ate food.
They won a regional championship.
Oh yeah.
Volleyball while we're waiting. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. How'd the game go? How'd the game go? No, not good at all. Not good at all. We lost. Oh yeah, how'd volleyball go?
Read it.
No, keep it going. Regional champs? Hold on.
What are you talking about?
All right. How'd the game go, girls? This one? Not good. We lose. What do we play now? 7 for 3rd place, right?
We're gonna get it.
We'll get 3rd place. You win a regional championship last night, volleyball? Are you going to win state?
Yes.
Do not get 4th.
No.
All right. We gotta win sectionals first. All right. Is that it? You need to do a snorkel or anything? We good?
Step forward to receive the
Well, back to reality. I've been in the office all morning doing, figuring out corn supply, stuff I need to switch around, all that stuff. White corn, tight. Well, I'm not gonna get it all. But this AC adapter came in. David has wired it up. I'm assuming it probably works. I haven't seen it yet, so let's see. That works, but that's always worked. And hey, all right. Okay, box or whatever, seed will fall in there, squirt our treatment in there, comes down, goes through a chute. It will be rolled to help get better coverage. This, we'll put some kind of dry powder on it just to make it shinier, slicker, all that stuff, and then out it goes. So everything works. Then, but we're gonna need to feed this with another belt. Still waiting for the hookup for that to come in. So that part done. Well, I think I got the corn situation figured out for now. We got some trucks back out here, getting ready to get loaded. It's like Fred, Eli. So I'm gonna come out and catch the bids up, turn some on. Fred all loaded up. Eli will be pulling in. There he comes. What they are, maybe. Still got a ways to go. All done. I'm on top of bench checking, make sure things looking all right. Well, a good week, memorable one. We'll go back in the office, got those running. I go home, mow my yard, and maybe roll it in my house. So yeah, looking forward to sectional game Monday. 8th grade girls volleyball, T-Town against Sullivan. So hopefully we win that. See ya.